Hello.
Hello. Good afternoon,
Yeah,
sir.
Mr. Durga Prasad. Yeah, good afternoon. Shall we
Yeah, good
start?
afternoon.
Yes, sir. I'm ready.
Okay. You are from Rajmundry.
Yes, sir. I'm from Rajahmundry, Andhra Pradesh.
Tell me some special thing about Rajmundry.
Sir, in Rajahmundry, we have River Godavari, and our district is East Godavari district, Andhra Pradesh, and we have the Villeshwaram Bridge in Rajahmundry, and we have ISKCON temple. The famous ISKCON temple is there in Rajahmundry.
Some
And,
Shiva temple is also there, na?
Yeah, Shiva temple is also there, but it is not that much famous as ISKCON. And we have
Can you tell me the name of the Shiva temple?
sorry, sir, I'm not sure.
Okay. Yeah, continue.
And we have road cum railway bridge, which is constructed by Britishers in our Rajmundry. These
I
are the
think some
famous things.
Kotilingeshwar temple is there. Shiva temple.
Yes, sir. Yes, yes,
It
sir.
is very
Yes, I got. Yeah.
it is very famous in North India also, you know. Rajmundry one
Yeah.
Shiva temple is there like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. People used to get there in Pushkar timing. Pushkar timing.
That's why I'm asking, na. That's why I'm telling it is very famous in North India also.
Yeah. Yes.
Your personal hobby is playing badminton.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Can you tell me who is women world champion in badminton?
Sir, especially from India or
See, world champion I
in
am
which
asking. I am
perspective,
not
like
badminton world
women
champion. Women.
world champion? I am not sure, but PV Sindhu is one of the best badminton from India.
My simple question. I know PV Sindhu, I know Saina Nehwal, all are shuttlers. Okay, I am asking who is world champion? Do you know or not?
No, sir, I can't recall it right now.
You're working in Axis Bank, na?
Yes, sir. I worked in Axis Bank.
You worked or you are working?
I worked. I worked from. Okay, sir. I have been there for 6 months for medication. So since then I'm okay. I'm okay now.
You worked in retail, especially in education loan. Tell me, priority sector lending, na? Some classification is there for
Yes,
housing loan and education loan.
yes, sir.
Up to how much education loan we can classify under priority sector?
So if I am not wrong, up to 5 lakhs and up to 10 lakhs for other country study.
Are you sure?
I'm not sure, sir, but I'll read on it.
You worked in fraud mechanism also, na?
Yes, sir. Actually, I used to get some fraudulent transaction request for rectification. So I have taken some requests from the customer, and I try to find out the fraud where it has happened and try to resolve it.
See, one fraud mechanism is there in banking industry. We need to report it to RBI, you know. Any fraud
Yes,
happen.
yes.
Yeah, what that particularly mechanism known as? Some sheet is there we used to send. We used to fill and send quarterly. One sheet is there that we need to report.
Customer dispute form, if I'm not wrong.
I'm telling bankers need to send to central bank, means RBI.
Okay.
Did you hear that FMR something is there in banking industry, FMR?
Sorry, sir, I couldn't recall it.
Oh, because your Resume itself, fraud mechanism, something like that was written. That's why I asked.
Sir,
Yes, Vivek ji.
Yeah. So, how long have you worked in Axis Bank? Only 6 months, and prior to that, you was in other bank, or total
no, sir.
experience is 6 months?
I have worked in Axis only for 3.5 years, from 2015 September to 2019 to
Okay. So
March.
3.5 years
And
you have worked in Axis Bank.
yes,
So you was taking care of which department in Axis?
I worked as a teller for 1.5 year in Axis,
Mm-hmm.
and then I moved to other position, customer service officer, where I used to interact with customers, and I used to do day-to-day transactions
Okay.
and taking
So
correspondence.
you have done certification of NCFM and IRDA also.
Yes, sir. It is mandatory to do to sell these insurance products and mutual funds. So I did that certification too. Yes.
Okay. So regarding NCFM, I just wanted to ask you one question. You have any idea about demat operations?
Yes, yeah, demat is dematerialization of shares. Actually, we use it to give 3-in-1 account where customer can buy shares through trading account, and he can save the earnings in savings account. And demat account, it will the shares will be deposited in digital form or virtual form.
Okay. So suppose you have one customer and he wants to close the account and transfer all the holdings to other bank. Okay.
Okay.
So what is the main document that he will ask or you will provide him so that it can be closed and the entire securities gets transferred to other bank demat account?
Actually, we take a customer request form for transfer, and we will take the DPID and PAN card.
No. Customer is already having demat account in Axis Bank, in your bank, and he is
Okay.
transferring it to other bank. He is willing to transfer it to, let's say, ICICI Bank or SBI.
Yes, sir.
So what is the document that you will provide him so that it can be closed from Axis Bank and the securities gets transferred to other bank?
Sir, I did it, but right now I couldn't recall it. I'm sorry, sir.
Had you heard
Okay.
about CMR copy?
CMR? No, sir. Sorry.
Okay, so you have done IRDA. So you must be having basic knowledge about insurance sector. Okay, so can you give us some examples of non-life actuaries?
Non-life insurance are home insurance, or
Mhm.
health insurance, or accidental insurance. These are comes under non-life, and these are called general insurance products.
See, accidental with death coverage, whether it will come under non-life or life insurance. Accidental death coverage, you know, na?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, whether it will come under life insurance or non-life.
Uh, it will come under non-life insurance.
Non-life insurance.
Yes.
Durga Prasad ji,
Yes, sir.
you tell me one thing. Axis Bank was previously known as UTI. Am I correct?
Yes, sir. You're right.
Yeah. So what is the abbreviation, full form of this UTI?
Sorry. Sorry, sir.
UTI, UTI, full form of UTI. And what does it mean?
Sir, it is Unit Trust of India, sir.
For what purpose government constituted that?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Sir, actually, UTM means Unit Trust of India, uh, and it is basically an AMC which was launched first time in India. That is the first AMC in India.
I was asking what purpose. See, banking initially started. Now some purpose was there. Acceptance of deposit and lending the same.
Yeah.
है ना?
Yes.
Like that,
Yes.
UTI was constituted. Some purpose was there, na, for that. Insurance we are doing. Some purpose is there or not?
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes.
LIC is there, oldest insurance company. Some purpose is there, na?
Yes, sir. I think, sir, if I'm not wrong, UTI's main purpose is to pool the funds and invest in equities.
Some that same I wanted to listen, na.
This health condition, I couldn't extend my joining date. So,
No
so
issue, no issue.
I am now preparing for various jobs. I also applied for SBA clerk and I'm waiting for the prelims result.
So, what is that attracts you towards the SBI? Like, why do you want to join SBI?
Sir, I have seen many of my friends working in SBA, and the work culture of the SBI is very good, and this is the uh, mm, most big organization in public sector units, and the way the way SBA treats employees is very good, and the working environment is very good, and moreover the growth and the career prospect of SBA is very good. That's why I want to join in SBA.
Okay.
Navneet,
So, yeah, Navneet ji.
Durga, since you are working in operation department, what type of documents you obtained while opening trust account?
Trust accounts. There is a trust deed that is vital document in opening the account, and the trust is and registration certificate. I think these three are most important documents while opening trust.
And if trust is not registered, then
Trust is not. I think we can't open the account if it is not registered.
there is a way to open the account. You must read that. Okay, you're working in operation.
Okay,
And
I'll
why
read on.
KYC is required? Nowadays,
Sorry?
bank is more focused on why KYC is required.
KYC while account opening or in future purpose also KYC is very important because we need to know the profile of the customer and we need to know the sources of funds
No, actually,
and
earlier,
uh,
10 to 15 years
and
ago, we open the account normally without any documents. Right now, we are forcing on to submit KYC document.
yes sir, we are forcing to submit the KYC documents because uh, as per KYC norms of RBI, we should take the all KYC documents, and
no, why this type of norms came into force? Why we require the purpose of KYC? We are asking.
yes, money we using KYC we can avoid money laundering. So this is the main issue for launching KYC in India to prevent money laundering.
Actually, we
Shall we
classify
wind up?
account into three categories: low risk, medium risk, high risk.
Yes, sir.
Can you elaborate it?
Uh, uh, Low risk customers are those customers whose income is very less, and
Just tell
um,
me the duration at how much KYC is done to these
for
customers.
low risk customer, we do about 10 years. We used to take KYC after 10 years. And for medium risk, it is 5 years. And high risk, it is 2 years.
it is not proper to comment on that, and it is very early for that to comment. Okay.
Okay.
Now feedback time, Durga Prasad ji.
Okay, sir.
See, your CV should be na very short. You should not write all those things na. You wrote fraud mechanism. You don't know FMR. Okay.
Okay.
Second thing, you should have proper justification of your this thing. See, one job you left na earlier. So you should have, see, from your now we can be formal also, okay, because that now that is not interview type. Your reply itself, you are telling health issues, one side you are telling workload also. I know for leave purpose you are telling, okay, but that type of reply should be one line reply or two line reply. That should not be lengthy. Getting my point?
Okay.
Third thing, when I came on your health, I was little bit irritating you because from your body language and posture na, I came to know your voice tone itself was, little bit pitch became high, and I noted
Right.
that point. Okay. Third thing, when we asked you about, not we, I only asked you about education loan priority sector. You are telling 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs something. Immediately I asked, are you sure? You told yes, sir, sure. Please go through all those things. Now, priority sector lending is very important. You are telling, if you are telling I worked in credit, little bit also I worked in credit means priority, and for general knowledge also. Priority sector lending, especially priority sector lending definition, MSME definition, okay, and part of priority sector lending we should know. Okay. Third thing, I asked about your native place, Rajamundry. Okay. Temple name, Shiva temple. See,
Yes.
ISKCON is recent development. Lingeshwar temple is very old, ancient time temple. I think medieval history, we can read about that Lingeshwar temple. And you are telling, sir, that
Yes.
is general temple, and ISKCON temple is the most important temple in our city, like that you are telling. Okay, so we should know about our native place, okay, our area, hai na? And wherever we are working, that organization and all. Okay, your knowledge level is good. I know just now you have told that due to this health issues only irritation was there. Then okay, no issue. Thanks. Yeah, Vivek ji.
Yeah. So overall, your interview was satisfactory, and you have good communication skills, and you have basic knowledge also. So you should just brush upon some of the current affairs and basic things, like these are the basic questions, like about your native place, about your hobby and all. Okay, so your favorite sports. If you say badminton, then there will be questions
See, you
like
are not able to reply about PV Sindhu, who belongs to your state only. 2019.
Yes, sir. I told PV Sindhu, but I am not sure
Japanese,
that
she bet Japanese player in finals 2019.
Yes, sir.
Because my hobby also badminton. That's why I asked you that question. And you belong to same place, Andhra, and she belongs also to Andhra Telangana only. Okay. Yeah.
So these are small things, but carry a lot of weightage when you are going for the final interview. Nevertheless, you have time to prepare for the final interview. You can work on these things and do well.
From first recover from COVID. Okay, because
Yes.
time is there for your interview. First recover from COVID. Already 10 days
Yeah.
over. Now no symptoms means you will be recovering only in very few days. Yeah, Navneet ji.
Durga ji, your CV is precise. Actually, you have not mentioned much of things in CV. So try to modify that and try to add some more items. Okay, and rest of your interview is okay. And take care. All the best.
Thank you, sir.
Any comment about interview you can tell? Feedback?
Yeah, video quality is good, sir. Voice level is good, sir. And everything is
I am asking,
fine.
that is technical point. I am asking about feedback about interview and interviewers.
It is good, sir. Overall, it is very nice.
Thank you. Thank you. Best of luck.